Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the shiny new Passport 3 from Zendure. I did previously do a review of their Passport Pro 2, which you can click the link in the top right to watch. But this one has a few nice upgrades and some really nice new colours as well. Also, if you would like to support the Kickstarter, the links are in the description and the comments below. And if you would like your chance to win one of 3 of this new Passport 3, we've partnered with Zendure to run a competition, and you can find the details about that in the comments and a link down below. The model I have here is a pre-production sample with my name engraved on it, but the final production model will have the Zendure logo in that place. So let's start off with what's changed in the new Passport 3 compared with the previous model. The most notable difference is the vibrant new colors. They all feature this translucent design too, which kind of reminds me of old Nintendo Game Boys and other 90s electronics. The next upgrade is the laptop USB-C port, which now outputs to 65 watts instead of 61 watts. Finally, a few of the additional charging ports have been upgraded from USB-A to USB-C type ports. The additional ports charge at a 45 watt rate, but they drop to around 15 watts when you plug more than one device in at the same time. The Passport 3 still has the same auto resetting fuse and can still charge up to 6 devices at the same time, and the same great sleek profile. This has been my go-to travel adapter for all of my trips recently, and I actually use it at home a lot too. Because you can charge many devices at the same time, and it has a very convenient selection of ports to choose from, it makes it a really great home charging hub. One thing that I like in particular about this adapter is that with the US AU plug, it can be twisted in both directions, so you can actually plug the plug higher or lower depending on the outlet that you're plugging it into. I've also found that plugging it into various outlets, it has a secure fit and generally it doesn't fall out. The auto resetting fuse is a good feature to have too, which means your devices won't get damaged if the adapter is overloaded. The adapter is also able to handle higher output devices such as hairdryers due to the GAN or GAN technology. There's not too many negatives with this Passport 3 that I experienced, but perhaps some of the things work a bit differently than you might expect. For example, the 65 watt and the 45 watt outputs drop when you plug more than one device in at the same time. As I mentioned earlier, the 45 watt output actually drops to around about a 15 watt output when anything more than one is plugged in. But for me, I usually charge things overnight, so I didn't require the full charging speed, and in cases where I did, I just plugged one device in at a time. Overall, it's definitely my favorite travel adapter of choice, and I do highly recommend it. If you're interested in winning one of the 3 in the competition, please scroll down and check out the competition details below in the comment, and be sure to leave a comment of which of the 3 colors that you like best, and stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.